5 different areas of orthopedics and traumatology which affects the society in a massive way today. The first is arthritis, which basically means that the smooth surfaces of the joint, they become roughened up, the joint becomes inflamed and painful, and it becomes very difficult for the affected patient to carry out the routine daily activities of life. So the first problem that affects the human society in orthopedics is arthritis, and as many as 30% of the human society at any given point in time suffers from arthritis. The second problem, which is again of an epidemic proportion, especially in developing countries where traffic conditions are increasingly becoming bad, it is the problem of fractures of long bones of the human body. People are now driving fast in poorly prepared roads in countries like ours, which means India. This is leading to increasing number of serious road traffic accidents, and it causes a tremendous load on the healthcare system to deliver high quality fracture treatment. The third condition is the human spine. 40% of the normal population will suffer from an episode of back pain by the time they are 35 to 40 years old. And as many as 20% of these patients will develop the back pain as a serious problem by the time they are 50 to 60 years old. The fourth problem is what is known as Geriatric Orthopedics, which was not known in this country until recent times. What is Geriatric Orthopedics? As a person gets older, and especially when they reach the age of 65 and 70 years of age, their bones become brittle and osteoporotic, both in women and in men. This type of bones requires special treatment as compared to the bones of the young adult population. The treatment of fractures and of any bone and joint related condition in the 70-year-old person is completely different than in that same condition when it occurs in a 50-year-old person. So when you develop the concept and science of geriatric orthopedics, it is a specially different branch which now our country should seriously understand and adopt, because with the passage of time, India is also now developing a structure where there are more and more above 70-year-old people living productively in the society, and they will need this particular science to help them in their old age. On the other hand, the fifth of these conditions in orthopedics and traumatology which I have mentioned is pediatric orthopedics, which is orthopedic problems related to the newly born and to kids up to the age of 13 years. These patients from 1 to 13 years have a completely different set of orthopedic problems which require special attention, and Welcare Hospital thus covers all the 5 main aspects of orthopedics and traumatology.